Every day on the rally roughs you up, and it also gives any vehicle at least a little bit of a beating. Whether it's dusty desert roads or steep sand dunes, the bikes that start the day shiny and clean finish it, well, a little dirty. No matter whether the special section was short or long, the moment the bikes get into the bivouac, the service begins. If the rider and mechanic is lucky, the service is pretty straightforward. An oil change, filter swap, brake pads, and done in a couple hours. On a busy day, the service could mean replacing whole parts, like the forks, the brakes, or the calipers, or a fresh clutch. Each rider and bike has a dedicated lead mechanic. This year, for Toby Price, it's rally veteran David from Spain. We found him just as he was putting Toby's bike back together. KTM's technical manager, Stefan Huber, is going to talk us through the process.
Yeah. Toby's coming in from the special stage. Here you can see we're fixing front tanks on the bike. Fixed only with 3 screws, very simple. Easy for the riders on issue or whatever. Left side of the front tank. Doing the fast connect on the fairing. Fixing also the screws there. Also right side screws. Cleaning the fuel connectors, connecting them, connecting fuel pump. Same thing again. Connecting the fuel tanks together. Next thing, skid plate coming back on. Only fixed with 2 screws on the front, very simple.
How about easy on-off?
Easy on-off, yes. That is a final touch, checking the linkage there. Greasing the rear axle. Ready to go. Changing brake pads, rear brake pads, every day. It's a daily job. Front fairing back on. Cleaning rear wheel after changing the mousse. Put the rubbers in for the push drive. Push drive back on. Wheel go back in the bike. Grease the rear axle inside. Putting the chain on. Rear axle nut. Checking the tension of the chain first. And fixing the rear axle. Final check on the wheel. Brake discs. And spoke check on rear wheel. Starting the bike. Ready to go for next day.
Ready to race.
Ready to race.